To configure your sales recap report, we will go to Settings and then Store, and then we'll select Sales Recap Report Settings. Once we have navigated to the report settings page, we can then turn on any of these toggles, things such as guest checks, covers, sales, gross voids, and net voids. We can also turn on payments, or we can split up our credit card options and other payments. We can turn on taxes. We can also use our formula definition tool. This will allow the user to configure the formulas in a way that works best for their business. We can also break down our department summaries. We can break down our category summaries and our hourly summaries. We even have the option of breaking down our overall summaries and adding things to the reports. Lastly, we can choose how the payment names will be viewed. We'd like to use user-defined. Once you are complete, select Update. And finally, publish your changes to the POS. To run a sales recap report, we will go to Reports, and then Sale, and then select Sales Recap. From here, we'll fill out our sales recap type. Then we will select our employee from the drop-down. Next, we will select our time period. And finally, we will select our report type. Once we are done, we select Run. As you can see here, this is a list of all of our information for our sales, taxes, credit card reports, other payment types, payment summaries, non-sale revenues, discounts, summaries, and hourly summaries. This is all the information that we had requested from the sales recap settings page. To run a Cashier Out report, we will go to Reports, Sale, and then select Cashier Out. From here, we'll fill out the following criteria: the employee we're looking for, the time period, and the report type, and then select Run. And here we can see a list of all the information that we were looking for based on what we filled out in our sales recap report. Please keep in mind that all reports can be exported to Excel, PDF, and CSV files.